progressive. I think you guys are in the right university when it comes to forward-facing development of therapists. I know a lot of the faculty as well, and I think their mindset is what is really kind of something that I appreciate a lot. My intention for coming in today is scary, right? थोड़ा सा scary भी है. यहाँ पे personally जो है वो ChatGPT अपने personal therapy के लिए किसने इस्तेमाल किया है?
Not like for personal therapy,
Well,
but
dream interpretation.
Yes.
जो आप थेरेपिस्ट से करवाते हैं ड्रीम इंटरप्रिटेशन सही है, या एज अ लाइफ कोच, या मेरी ज़िंदगी में ये मसले हैं, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर राइट, मैंने भी किया है, या इट्स अ रियल थिंग मैन, मुफ्त राइट, वो भी खास तौर पे मुफ्त में यू हैव अ रियली गुड सजेशन. आई विल गिव दैट एक्चुअल डेमो टुडे कि अगर कोई बंदा असली में थेरेपी इस्तेमाल करता है, चैट जीपीटी को क्यों करता है, रिसर्च क्या बोलता है, फ़ायदे क्या हैं, नुकसानात क्या हैं, ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. बट व्हाट डज़ इट मीन फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑफ यू गाइज? Right, like is ChatGPT your next competition? Do you guys have to?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. It's a big one, right? And
it's gonna eat our jobs.
and plus, it did not spend 4 years paying for its university and then become a master's graduate to actually have like no, what do you call it, future, right? आप लोगों को, my intention for today is to really kind of show you guys where is the landscape changing. Right, and because it's not just the mental health landscape that is changing, it is the overall landscape that is changing. And you know, like for example, my personal relationship was that I really entrepreneur, right, like business चलाता हूँ, तो obviously सारा जो है वो business के फ़ायदे नुकसानात को देखना होता है. तो उसमें बंदा आके बोलता है कि भाई आप ऑटोमेट कर दो चीज़ों को, आपके कॉस्ट जो है वो कम हो जाएंगे. राइट, आपका जो फॉर एग्जांपल पहले कम्युनिकेशन कोऑर्डिनेटर वाला शख्स जो काम करता था, वो अब आप जो है वो एक एआई को रख सकते हो जो उतना ही अच्छे तरीके से बगैर गलतियाँ किए हुए, बगैर थके हुए वो काम कर लेगा. तो एज अ बिजनेस ओनर आई विल बी लाइक ओके टेम्पटिंग राइट, एंड दैट इज़ द फ्यूचर. It's just going to get better. And what does that mean for the mental health landscape, right? Where are we really at? There is a huge conversation happening in the social media community about AI therapy. Everyone's got an opinion, right? Everyone's got an opinion about what exactly is the future of mental health. क्योंकि number one reason why ChatGPT का सबसे बड़ा use case क्या है? Personal therapy. Number one reason why ChatGPT is being used is personal therapy. So what does that mean for the masters and bachelor students that are just going to be coming out and graduating right now?
Your blessing.
Yeah, right. Oh my God. So I hope it's not that bleak, and that's where I want to give research. I want to give backup. I want to give like real life actual examples कि आप लोग अगर फंसने वाले हो तो कहाँ फंसने वाले हो, right? And I don't think आप लोग जो है वो AI पे फंसोगे, right? Yeah, go for it.
I just want to say, I don't think AI can overcome therapists.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, sorry. If you're going
Yeah. Don't worry. Right. I have research also that says the same thing, and I have also research that says something else as well. Right. Now the question becomes, what will the client listen to, and that will depend on how much money they have. Right. I have had so many conversations with mental health practitioners that say the same thing, that there's no way you can replace a human with a robot. Right. There's no way you can replace attunement of a human person, right, with a robot. There is one bias and one reality that is not part of this conversation, which I'm hoping to kind of bring up, is how well present are you guys, right? Like how do you guys but I've trained therapists for the last 4 years at my center, Trauma Release and Wellness Center. You have no idea, living in Karachi, the level of dissociation is there for survival, right? So जब वो बोलते हैं कि हम presence को replicate नहीं कर सकते, so how well informed are the therapists about their presence, right? And that's the real conversation that needs to be kind of had as well. कि आप लोग अपने dissociations को पहचानते हो, right? Because ChatGPT is coming for your jobs. Fact. कुछ भी कर लो, fact. It is coming for your jobs, right? So the AI conversation has to be real and practical for you guys, right? It's not about कि AI आएगा नहीं आएगा, वो आ रहा है. It's not about कि whether आपको इसको अपने काम में इस्तेमाल करना है नहीं करना है, आपको करना है, right? It's not about कि लोग ChatGPT इस्तेमाल करेंगे, वो करेंगे. मगर जो थेरेपिस्ट प्रेजेंस में रह सकता है वो ही सर्वाइव कर पाएगा, because the client doesn't need another dissociated person in front of them. Dissociated is a big term. Like, I don't want to, like, dissociated is a big term. It could also be exhausted, numb, in freeze, tired, preoccupied with life, parishaniya, doesn't know how to connect with their own body, stuff that is not taught in universities. Right? And that's what we want to really have a conversation about, because the trainings that I've done, this is where I felt that people were the most challenged by, right? To reconnect with their body in a culture that is traumatized. Right? Because हम लोग कराची में रहते हैं, right? कराची के हालात से गुजरते हैं. Can you imagine the amount of like stress and fight, flight, freeze responses our body has to be in order to survive? Ghar wale, parishaniya, all of them.
Traffic.
Oh my God! I came in the dhoop and I was outside waiting, right? And I was like, I'm in freeze right now. I'm in so freeze. I couldn't feel my body. I was like, because if I felt my body, I would be feeling fear. And I was like, cannot feel fear right now. Suppress. And my body has the capacity to do that, right? My body has the capacity to protect me from my fears when things have to be overwhelmed. It's not an ab reaction, right? But this is what we have to manage. And this is what the conversations aren't really talking about, that what kind of therapist is going to be able to assist or use AI, especially moving forward. And so that's what we're really here to talk about, right? We're really here to talk about what's the future of your careers really kind of look like. All right, so why me? Why am I here? Why am I doing this? What's my conversations all about, right? Like, why is this such a important passion for me, right? So 5 years ago, I started Trauma Release and Wellness Center. Trauma Release and Wellness Center is the first trauma-informed center in Pakistan. मेरा मकसद क्या था कि भाई यार trauma treatment पाकिस्तान में क्या हो रहा है? क्यों? क्योंकि obviously personally गुजरे हुए हैं, right? क्योंकि personally गुजरे हुए इन चीज़ों से. I was in personal therapy for 6 years. Right, had a really bad stint in university. Naam on liya, so you can imagine the bullying, right, that took place in school, right? Yeah, right. Like, see, it doesn't click for adults, but for kids, it's the first thought that comes in. But you can imagine, I've had my own life, right? And because of that, I was like, yeah. And a lot of people who come into this field either did not get into MBBS or they have their own journey with it, right? In terms of why they're actually doing this job, right? So those are the two categories that I've really found. कि इनका एक personal passion होता है या MBBS में मिल जगह नहीं मिली, right? ये दो वजह होते हैं जिस वजह से psychology पे आप आ जाते हो. Sort of, like this is the information I've generalizedly found. So on that journey, I was like, okay, 6 साल की personal therapy ली, फिर I was like, यार, let's become a therapist. Like most how people do, they get healed and then they're like, दूसरों को heal करना शुरू करते हैं. मैं भी उस category में आ गया. Right, then continued. I found out that talk therapy does not work with trauma clients. That's a separate conversation, right? In terms of trauma informed क्या होता है, trauma treatment क्या होता है, all of that stuff. Trauma आपके body में stored होता है. ज़िंदगी में मुझे ये दिख गया, सही है? ट्रेन करना शुरू किया थेरेपिस्ट को क्योंकि आप अकेला सेंटर नहीं चला सकते, आपको दूसरे थेरेपिस्ट भी चाहिए. एंड आई वाज रियली लकी टू हैव रियली गुड मेंटर्स, साई, बॉब, डॉक्टर रॉबर्ट फ्रॉम एरिज़ोना. मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि खुद कर रहा था, लोगों ने गाइड किया, राइट? दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट टू काइंड ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि असली में यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है. बिकॉज दूसरों ने जिनके पास मुझसे ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस था, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा गाइड किया कि यार इस तरफ जाओ, ये देखो, ये करो. आई वाज लाइक फाइन. फाउंड आउट कि भाई मेंटल हेल्थ का लैंडस्केप जो है वो अट्यूनमेंट और वो चीज़ मेन फैक्टर है कि कितना वेल रेगुलेटेड थेरेपिस्ट होगा क्लाइंट के सामने, वो इफेक्टिव ट्रीटमेंट होता है. क्लाइंट को पैथोलॉजाइज करना, केस कंसेप्चुलाइज करना, CBT का फॉर्म बना के दे देना, उससे कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला. हाउ वेल रेगुलेटेड एंड अट्यून्ड कैन यू बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर क्लाइंट्स इज द वर्क. Okay, I was like fine, learned how to do that, taught other people how to do that. Okay, then found out bhai AI aa raha hai, right? AI aa raha hai, and there's this whole conversation about that AI is gonna replace therapists, right? Because I found myself using ChatGPT as well. So my why, because of my own personal journey, has always been about improving the quality of the therapist, right? Because I was in front of a therapist that was also dissociated. I swear to God, personal story and like genuinely real. She was sitting in front of me, female therapist, and I was talking about my relationship with my father, and she was like, I swear to God that happened. Not once, thrice. 3 times. And obviously power dynamic, right? Like she's a therapist in front of me and I'm like the person paying for the session. I'm paying for the session. 4,000 rupees, like 8 saal pehle was big money, right? Like I was like paying for the session and she was like, and I was like, oh my god. उसके बाद से I was like, therapy छोड़ दो, right? And ये होता है, ये बहुत होता है. आप लोगों ने शायद therapist को देखा होगा अपने पास भी होता है ये therapist जो है. And I've had too many sessions. I was like, are you okay? No, मेरा आखिरी client जो था वो international था. उसके लिए मुझे रात पे therapy करनी पड़ रही थी जिसकी वजह से मैं जो हूँ वो सुबह में fresh नहीं होगी. This is what I got as an answer. And I swear to God, I bought it. And the reason why I bought it, power dynamics. She's the therapist. So you can see those are the experiences that have really influenced me, right? Those are the experiences that has influenced me to really find out what makes a really attuned and good therapist. Because वो मेरी personal journey है, जिसके वजह से I'm like, करना है, right? Because you can't I wouldn't want to like have my kids experience that. They're gonna need therapy. Like everyone's gonna need kabhi na kabhi therapy to chahiye hogi, right? So that's where my whole like story comes from, and that's why I'm really kind of active about it. So so I was like, यार try करके देखते हैं. इतनी मेहनत की है attuned therapist ढूंढने, बनाने, करने के लिए international गए, trauma किया, सीखा, इतनी मेहनत की, right? क्या ये मेहनत जो है वो मतलब गई? इतना center 5 साल चलाने की कोशिश की. Am I like that's it? It wasn't easy, I'll be very honest. Running a center in Karachi about trauma, not easy, man. Not easy. Like, आप अपना private practice शुरू जब करोगे तो आप लोगों को idea हो जाने वाला है how difficult it is for effective treatment. Client को रोक के बैठना आसान है, right? Client को 6 साल therapy करवाना आसान है. There's power dynamics is there, man. You're gonna come in, their whole family is gonna force them to come to therapy. We're talking about effective treatment. कि यार कितने कम टाइम में कितना बेहतर रिजल्ट दे सकते हैं. That's hard. Because ego. मैं तो सही कर रहा हूँ, मुझे तो यूनिवर्सिटी में सिखाया था, मैं तो सब सही कर रहा हूँ, मुझे तो सब पता है, मुझे सब आता है, मैं तो मास्टर्स करके आ गया हूँ, मुझे तो सब पता है, मुझे तो सब आता है. अच्छा ये तो मुझे यूनिवर्सिटी में तो नहीं सिखाया था. Ego is like, it's a shame protective mechanism, but huge. It's not easy. Just saying center chalana, I could have done so many other things, but it's not easy. So I was like okay. I was like यार ये आ रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे presentation देने. असली में जो demo दें कि यार how many of you guys have actually tried ChatGPT as a therapist? करके तो देखें. And I was like, the accessibility of it, right? The fact that I can just turn on my phone. Just let's see. I've never done this demo before. Let's see. Okay, so I've been really stressed out, right? And I really want some support. I don't know what's going to be happening. I don't even know if I can trust people. Can you just suggest me things that I can do if you were my therapist?
I'm sorry you're feeling that way. It can be tough when you're not sure who to trust or what to do next. If I were your therapist, I'd probably start by exploring what's been making you feel this way and helping you find small steps to rebuild that trust and feel more secure. It's all about taking it one step at a time and being kind to yourself along the way.
So, but I'm really stressed out and really panicked right now. I don't know what to do. Like, I'm really feeling anxious. I don't know if I can reach out to someone because I don't really know I can talk to them. Is there something that you can tell me to do right now or be with me right now that can kind of really help me manage my anxiety?
I'm here for you, and I'm really glad you reached out. Let's take a deep breath together if you're up for it. Just inhale slowly through your nose, hold it for a second, and then exhale gently through your mouth. Sometimes just focusing on your breathing can help calm that anxiety a little bit. And remember, you're not alone, and it's totally okay to feel this way.
Not bad, right? Not bad, right?
Meditation.
I know. B minus. Right, B minus. You can use this as a B minus, right? Like, अगर मैं वाकई में client होता, काम चल जाता, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि काम नहीं चलेगा मेरा. Can you imagine? How are you gonna compete with that? Right? How are you guys gonna? I know you. I'm not. How am I gonna compete with that? Right? Like. Yeah, not possible. You can't stop. People can't stop people from using drugs. They can't stop people from using ChatGPT as a therapist. Like, that's not possible. My other specialization is addiction. So that's one of the reasons why that reference came up. Right? So you can't stop. How easy was it? Live demo, man. It wasn't even planned. It wasn't even like कि मैंने 3 दफ़ा practice किया था कि मैं ये सवाल पूछूंगा ये जवाब आएगा. On the spot, live demo. काम चल गया, right? You guys all heard, and I think the tone was also not that bad, right? Like, it was a calming tone. It wasn't like कि वो robot वाली आवाज़ आ रही थी. Realistic था थोड़ा सा.
इस टाइम पे जिस तरीके से प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर्स वगैरह हैं, एआई इंजीनियर्स हैं, वो एक इंजीनियर बैठ के एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट के साथ या न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट के साथ इस तरीके से ट्रेन कर रहे हैं एआई मॉडल को कि वो आपको बिल्कुल एज थेरेपिस्ट वर्क करता है. जब आप चैट जीपीटी में जाओगे
Yes.
तो आपके पास डिफरेंट कैटेगरी आप उनको सर्च करते हो.
Yeah.
बाकायदगी से.
Yeah.
आप वो है. मैंने वो सर्च किए हैं.
Good.
वो आपको एज प्रोफेसर भी हेल्प करते हैं साइकोलॉजी में, एज वो आपको बताते भी कि आपको क्या स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए, किस तरीके से काम करना चाहिए. इवन हर चीज़ में वो आपको हेल्प कर देते हैं और आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आप किसी और से बात करो. आपको लगता है कोई सुपरवाइजर है.
Yeah. Best in the world are doing this. Best in the world. Tony Robbins, Gabor Mate, कोई भी आप बड़ा थेरेपिस्ट ले लो, वो लोग सब अपने बॉट्स बना रहे हैं. And now you can take therapy for them for $5.99, right? Like for $5.99, you can take personal therapy from them directly. Right? Who's gonna want? And again, I'll be very honest. जो बोलते हैं ना, it doesn't sound attuned. It doesn't sound attuned. How can it sound? Spacing भी थी, tonal reflections भी थे, like appropriate conversation था. Oh my God, guys, what a career, huh? Like, what a career! I just started. That's why I feel the most for you guys. I was like, यार, because obviously जो like therapists थोड़े से 4 साल 5 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, they've tried their shot, right? You guys are just coming into the field, man. अभी मतलब नौकरी तो पकड़ो, लेकिन you guys have this as an option, and it's getting worse. It is getting worse, right? What does the research say, right? अच्छा, फायदे नुकसान दोनों के रिसर्च लेके आया हूँ, राइट? कि क्योंकि रिसर्च इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. नीड एविडेंस, राइट? लाइक देयर इज नो मोर पॉइंट इन डूइंग इट. सो एआई डिलीवर्ड थेरेपी जो मैंने अभी चैट जीपीटी के साथ किया, नो ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन रिक्वायर्ड. यानी कि कोई भी थेरेपिस्ट साथ नहीं बैठा हुआ है. मैंने डायरेक्ट चैट जीपीटी खोला, एआई डिलीवर्ड. सो ये दैट इज़ व्हाट दिस इज. Chatbots are going to get smart. Smart is an understatement. And you know the worst and the most scary part about AI is the speed. The speed of development is insane. Insane. It is this होता है ना वो पलक झपक के, it just went from like just being a chatbot to like being a real therapist. And it is this speed that is the real scary part for me, because by the time you finish a semester, it will know everything about all the therapy and be able to do every therapist's work better. Right? So, yeah. And that's where I feel like where our like self-protective mechanisms of denial is like super strong. Right? Like हमारा denial ये कभी human को थोड़ी replace करेगा, कभी human को थोड़ी replace करेगा. And I hope not, right? But I hope not, right? So what does the research say? Research says कि भाई chatbots, right, reduce depression symptoms. Research says increases emotional support also. It says increases emotional support, right? Boost emotional self-awareness. Digital therapy can match face-to-face in outcome from mild to moderate cases. Mild to moderate वाले clients तो गए आपके हाथ से. यानी कि mild to moderate clients तो are gone. You are not going to get mild to moderate cases. You're going to get people who are not well enough to access ChatGPT. That's what you're going to get nowadays. So prepare, right? Also, use formed, consistent engagement for pattern and relational agents, right? So what that means is, मुझे अकेलापन महसूस हो रहा है. Click. Her tone wasn't bad, man. I did take the deep breath. Okay, what are the maslas? Maslas are that हो गया, right? So maslas overly, यहाँ पे generally the research says cannot replace overall cannot replace the attunement of the therapist, human, right? ChatGPT bots, the research says, does not replace the connection that a human requires. Research says that the number one thing that improves therapeutic effectiveness is still the research, is still the connection of the human. यानी आपका आपके client के साथ relationship. अब यहाँ पे ना एक honest conversation, right? Like actual relationship बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए होता है? Intimacy and vulnerability. right? अब आप लोग सब झाको intimacy and vulnerability. हाँ, अच्छा, क्या रिश्ता है आप लोगों का intimacy और vulnerability के साथ, right? How open are you to being vulnerable with someone else and being intimate with someone else? And again, this comes from like training too many people and knowing that in a traumatized culture, intimacy and vulnerability and safety are not there. So the most important thing is attunement and presence. But are we like able to provide that? Right? Are we really able to provide that? Because you'd be surprised on how how difficult it is, right? And it's again no fault of your own, right? Trauma culture, right? It's not intergenerational trauma bhi hota hai हमारे पास unsafety hai, like it's unsafety or some other levels, right? Like कोई मजाक नहीं in the level of unsafety that is there. So you can't diss that the survival response is incorrect, right? Fight, flight, freeze is needed, but how do you do this job with that environment? Right, masle. So, will I have a job in the future? When I don't know. I hope, but it's like the way I'm seeing it, it's not going to be for mild and moderate cases. Right? I also think that clients are going to have an option. It's between you or a chatbot. And if you're not intimate and vulnerable and having good healthy boundaries and being able to set the connection and being able to challenge or create effectiveness in your work, then you're out. Right? Which is just raise the bar for you guys much higher कि अब बैठ के सिर्फ CBT के पेपर देख के डायग्नोस करना काम नहीं है. Therapeutic skills को भी बेहतर करना है क्योंकि everything else can be done by the chatbot faster. Did you know it's gone so insane that now if you have a recording of your session, it will check the tone and it will tell if you are present, not present, dissociated, not dissociated, if you have any kind of symptoms. It will even check कि जो आपके language के patterns हैं उसको पकड़ के भी cognitive distortions को वो पकड़ सकता है और आपको diagnose कर. Like it's insane. It's insane, right? Like what is happening is really insane. And the speed again, right? How long will it take for it to come here? I can even tell you that. I've done all my research, so I'll share with you कि कितनी देर में आने वाला है यहाँ पे also. So I believe that AI delivered is going to be an option for people for sure. आप चाहे उसको बोलो. Like I've seen so many posts on Instagram about therapists talking about what's the difference between a human therapist and an AI therapist. Right? Like a human therapist cannot replace the intimacy and the values, and it will slow down you and it will help you, and all jayez, all appropriate, but they're all not taking into the account the freeze response, the survival response of the therapist. Okay, not everyone has that capacity. Not everyone has that capacity to be fully present in front of a client. Kitne log in this conversation are going to go, my therapist went, and I'm telling you, it's not that easy. It's really not that easy. Human presence is still the most healing factor. Agreed. 100% agreed. And that's sort of like what you guys have to kind of build yourself up for and deliver. But it becomes really difficult if you have, so centers के अंदर internationally, यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ का मुझे नहीं पता. मेरे center में नहीं, at least मेरे center में is like 3 to 4, 5 sessions. बाहर 6 से 7 sessions आपको करने होते हैं दिन के. इंटरनेशनली अगर आप कहीं पे भी जाओगे, नौकरी पकड़ोगे, आपको 6 से 7 दिन में सेशंस करने होते हैं. माई सिस्टर इज़ इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, शी डज 7 sessions a day. I bang my head. I'm like, how are you present? How do you stay present in front of like 7 clients non-stop? Transference होता है, counter transference होता है, exhaustion होता है, right? आपका fatigue होता है, आपका holding होती है, आपकी body की requirement होती है, आपकी emotional toll लगता है आपको. Client की अगर आप non-pathogenic भी काम कर रहे हो, non-narrative काम भी कर रहे हो, आप holding दे रहे होते हो client को, 1, 2, 3, 4 के बाद आपकी body पे like toll चलता है, right? How are you going to stay present to like 7 clients? That will be an expectation from you guys. Right? That is the reality of the job market. That's the reality है ये कि like your organizations, even if you have a private practice, आप अगर दिन में 2 clients देख रहे हो, it's a part-time job then, right? Like then you have that option for a part-time job. पर अगर आप एक्चुअल काम करने वाले हो तो यू विल नीड 5 सेशंस टू पे योर बिल्स अ डे, राइट? सो हाउ डू यू मेंटेन आपके, अच्छा यहाँ पे ना लॉग्स की बात नहीं की है हम लोगों ने. हर क्लाइंट का एक लॉग होता है, लॉग लिखना होता है, सुपरविजन होता है, सुपरविजन करना होता है, बुकिंग होती है, रात के 12 बजे कॉल आता है क्लाइंट का, हेलो आई नीड हेल्प. बाउंड्रीज होते हैं, सेट करना होता है, लाइक हर चीज़ होती है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि आप बैठ गए और बाकी सब पूरा सिस्टम हैंडल कर रहा होता है. ऐसा नहीं है, ये खुद आपको ही करना है. उसके ऊपर आपको दिन में 5 सेशंस ले लें. स्टे प्रेजेंट. It's the reality, man. I'm just being honest, right? I'm just being very honest. The conversation is this, right? कि AI therapy करना चाहिए, and the fact is that where the transition is now going, this is where I kind of fall into, that you can't like convince people not to use AI therapy. They're still going to use it. I think the future is like AI assisted therapy. तो जो भी आपका एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव काम है उसको ऑटोमेट कर दो, राइट? आपका जो लॉग एनालिसिस है वो ऑटोमेट हो जाए, right? And that's where there's a lot of people who are investing and working on that as well, and that's what we're trying to do also, right? That's where the conversation is really going, and I think वहाँ पे जाके land करेगा. It will be AI delivered versus AI assisted. That's the two domains that will be. हर therapist को अपना काम automate करना होगा मेरे ख्याल से, बिकॉज उसको सबसे एक वाहिद फैक्टर होगा जो उसके पास है, जो AI के पास नहीं है, वो है प्रेजेंस, राइट? क्योंकि उसके पास प्रेजेंस है, अट्यूनमेंट है अगर है, राइट, तो उसको सारा फोकस उस पर ही लगाना होगा और बाकी सारा काम जो है उसको करना होगा, AI को देना होगा. वो मेरे ख्याल से 100%. एंड इट्स गोना बी लाइक द फ्यूचर इज जस्ट गोना बी दिस ओनली. सो वेयर आर वी करंटली एट? व्हाट इज द रिसर्च से, राइट? सो रिसर्च अभी तक कहाँ पहुँचा, क्या क्या चीज़ें ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल हैं जो आपके लिए AI कर सकता है? स्केड्यूलिंग, ओह डूड, स्केड्यूलिंग का सही है, ओके. एडमिन. So, I had a call, सही है, with a real estate company, सही है, in Dubai, सही है. It took me 5 minutes to figure out it was a robot. 5 minutes. It was just वो initial setup call होता है ना कि अच्छा आपको दुबई में क्या क्या करना है, आपको कहाँ आना है, लेकिन ना blah 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 blah, आपका मैं आपकी मुझसे बात करवा देता हूँ. Took me a minute. I was like, oh my god, because एक जगह there was a monotone that was used. I was like, oh my god, this is like how in this one also, like if you're not fully like present, you can kind of not realize कि ये एक AI बात कर रहा है. It was at that level. And I was like, communication coordinator is the guy. ये ना, क्योंकि टेक्निकली जब आप लोग जॉब पकड़ोगे बिफोर थेरेपिस्ट बैचलर्स के बाद मेन जॉब जो मिलती है सेंटर्स के अंदर, was like he's using in the communication department or something around those lines. Gone. Oh my god, man. That तो is gone. That तो I can guarantee 6 महीने के अंदर तो हो गया काम, right? तो वो तो डन है, सही है. Because what's going to happen is AI is going to be able to do your billing, सही है, your session का reminder, सही है, आपका जो है किसका को imagine करें. It's like literally it's that कि the client can fill out a form, the AI will see your calendar automatically and then tell कि यार ये slot available है, आपको चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए, और ये आपकी पॉलिसी है. ये आ गया है, like that's the scariest part, right? You start using it, ये आ गया. सही है. थेरेपिस्ट को क्या फ़ायदा होता है? बर्नआउट आपका कम हो जाएगा. थेरेपिस्ट को क्या फ़ायदा होता है कि आपका जो एडमिन रिलेटेड काम है वो कम हो जाएगा अगर आप प्राइवेट उसमें काम कर रहे हो, राइट? एंड दैट्स वेयर इट्स एट, राइट? कि जितना आपको फ़ायदा मिल सके टू इम्प्रूव योर प्रेजेंस, योर सोमैटिक्स, योर हीलिंग, दैट इज़ वॉट यू विल बी काइंड ऑफ हैविंग टू बी रिक्वायर्ड, राइट? आपका जो एम्प्लॉई, अच्छा यहाँ पे गेस करें, पाकिस्तान के अंदर सिर्फ ख़ास तौर पे, क्योंकि लाइसेंस नहीं है, राइट? क्योंकि पाकिस्तान के अंदर लाइसेंस नहीं है, यहाँ पे क्लाइंट का रिकॉर्ड कहाँ रखा जाता है? इमेजिन इफ़ एनी वन ऑफ यू गाइज हैव लाइक 15 क्लाइंट्स हाइपोथेटिकली, विच मीन्स 15 क्लाइंट्स का मतलब है टाइम्स 4, अराउंड लाइक 80 सेशंस आप ले रहे हो महीने के, अराउंड दैट, राइट? आप 80 सेशंस लेते हो महीने के, एवरेज 60 to 80 कर लो एज ए रफ बॉल पार्क, सही है. लॉग्स कहाँ रखोगे? आप लाइक ऑन गूगल शीट, यू कीप इट ऑन गूगल शीट. लाइक जहाँ भी हम लोग अपने लॉग्स रखते हैं वो गूगल शीट के ऊपर रखते हैं. इट्स नॉट इवन व्हाट यू कॉल इट, शॉकिंग राइट कि हम लोग अपना एम्प्लॉय क्लाइंट रिकॉर्ड्स जो है वो गूगल शीट में राइट, यू नॉट सरप्राइज, लाइक सेफ्टी इज सरप्राइजिंग राइट. टेक्निकली इमेजिन करें बाहर क्या होता है, बाहर गूगल शीट्स में रखते हैं या सॉफ्टवेयर पे रखते हैं?
सॉफ्टवेयर.
क्यों? गूगल शीट तो मुफ्त है. नहीं एडवांस का क्या फ़र्क है? दैट तो इज़ लाइक दैट तो इज़ वो महंगी चीज़ अच्छी चीज़ वाला सीधा है. नहीं ऐसा दैट ऐसे हैव लॉजिक. कांट बी महंगी चीज़ अच्छी चीज़ राइट. यू गिव मी लॉजिक. व्हाट्स द लॉजिक?
आई गेस सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर ज़्यादा
सिक्योरिटी राइट. अगर आपका कंप्यूटर ख़राब हुआ और वो गूगल शीट्स गए क्या होगा? अगर आपका लॉगिन आईडी आपके ड्राइव का ख़त्म हो गया क्या होगा? क्लाइंट के लिए जायज़ है. और यहाँ पे तो लीगल सिस्टम नहीं है राइट. तो आपको इतना आपके पीछे लॉयर भी नहीं आने वाला. आप बोलोगे मैंने गूगल शीट में रखा था, गूगल शीट का पासवर्ड, मेरा गूगल ड्राइव का पासवर्ड ख़त्म हो गया, मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ गया राइट. लेकिन एथिकली टेक्निकली गूगल शीट में नहीं रखते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर पे रखते हैं राइट. जायज़ तरीका. बाहर आप कहीं पे भी जाओगे कोई भी आपको ये नहीं बोलेगा कि आप अपने गूगल शीट में रख रहे हो. दैट्स द नॉर्म. बट पाकिस्तान के अंदर एवरी वन इज़ लाइक गूगल शीट राइट. ऑब्वियसली गूगल शीट पर रखेंगे, एक्सेल पे एक फाइल बना देंगे अपने कंप्यूटर पे.
तो सर व्हाई वी डोंट यूज देयर सॉफ्टवेयर इज वेल फॉर चाहिए आपको वी यूज देयर व्हाई वी यूज
पैसे मनी कौन खर्च करेगा राइट. हु इज गोना. यहाँ पे हमारे पास तो जॉब नहीं है, हमारे पास तो पैसे नहीं है. यहाँ कोई यहाँ तो कोई खर्च नहीं करने वाला पैसे. इट्स द आप मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल इट्स नाउ पीपल आर गेटिंग मोर अवेयर. पहले ऐसा नहीं था. नाउ पीपल आर हैविंग दिस कॉन्वर्सेशंस क्योंकि जॉब जाने वाली है राइट. क्योंकि जॉब जाने वाली है तो पीपल आर हैविंग दिस कॉन्वर्सेशंस के यार अच्छा अब थोड़ा सा तरीका करना होगा काम को. गूगल शीट नहीं चलने वाला, अपने डिसोसिएशन नहीं चलने वाला, थेरेपी सो नहीं सकते राइट. अब जो है वो चीज़ें थोड़ी कम्पिटिटिव हो रही हैं. पहले क्लाइंट डिमांड एंड सप्लाई ऑफ द चार्ट्स था right, which means that no matter how many therapists there are always 3-4 times more clients. चाहे जितने भी हो तो आपका डिमांड सप्लाई का तो इशू ही नहीं था. अब फंस गए. अब हर क्लाइंट के पास एक चैट जीपीटी पड़ा हुआ है मुफ्त का राइट. तो अब नाउ यू गॉट अप योर गेम. नाउ यू हैव टू बी मोर प्रोफेशनल. नाउ यू हैव टू हैव योर रिपोर्ट्स एंड यू हैव टू सेंड योर क्लाइंट को. आपको हर वो चीज़ करनी है जो एआई उनको नहीं दे सकता. आपको उनको रिपोर्ट्स बना के देना है, आपको उनको अब मेक श्योर रिकॉर्ड्स रखने हैं, आपको उनको सब चीज़ें देनी है. फंस गए. अब एक्चुअली मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. अब तो फंस गए. ओह माय गॉड गाइस, यू हैव नो आइडिया हाउ लाइक आई ऑल्सो थिंक आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट आई हैव बीन वेरी लाइक फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द क्लाइंट राइट. मेरा पर्सनल जो भी नज़रिया है इट इज़ ऑल क्लाइंट को क्या फ़ायदा मिलता है राइट. एंड आई थिंक this change is going to level up all the therapists. Have to, like by default have to. You have to give everything that they can't get from ChatGPT, right? Which means you'll have to be more present, you'll have to be more regulated, you'll have to be on time. You can't reschedule your clients achanak se because ghar ki dawat aa gayi. Can't do any of that anymore. You have to be committed, you have to be professional. Oh, ये तो मेरा तो भाई घर की दावत है, मैं नहीं आ सकती. वैसे क्लाइंट को बोल देना मैं अवेलेबल नहीं हूँ अभी. क्लिक. You have no idea how much this happens. This happens a lot. This happens a lot. Ego is a huge chapter in therapists. Huge. Right? Power dynamics. You don't know transferentially power dynamics because clients disown their power. Right? Clients, because they come from their trauma, they disown their power and project it onto the therapist. मुझे तो कुछ नहीं पता, आपको सब पता है ना. And therapists counter transferentially take that on. हाँ मुझे सब पता है. Not overtly ये नहीं बोलते, but they will act and respond in that manner where they have that autonomy. Which is the work, which you will get to understand that this is what's really been happening. But all of that dynamics is now like off. It's a session insights, right? Like another thing, right? So technically, do you know why therapy 5 साल चलती है? Right? Because they say in a long term, so I'm not a talk therapist, I do trauma informed, right? So it's a different dynamic on its own, but this is not the conversation for that. Let's do, imagine करते हैं talk therapy, right? Which is humanistic, CBT, person centered, just the general stuff that's usually kind of talked about, right? उसमें बोलते हैं short term work, long term work. Long term work जो है वो सालों चल सकता है. Psychodynamic के अंदर तो सालों चलता है. Do you know why Custom with nowadays, neuropsychology is like the most in thing nowadays, right? क्योंकि it's all about the brain. It's all about how effective treatment works and stuff. लेकिन मसला क्या होता था कि थेरेपिस्ट को याद नहीं रहता था कि पिछले सेशन में क्या हुआ है. So therapists themselves, because they have 15 clients and they are, some of them are international and local, therapists को difficulty होती थी याद रखना कि यार last session में right, sessions would not link together, it would be trauma of the week. How was your hafta? How are you doing? How's your hafta? मेरे हफ्ते में 40 मिनट हो गए. अच्छा बस हम लोग अब तो सेशन एंड कर रहे हैं. एंड क्या था? That's how it was. That's how it usually is. So what AI can do now, आपके जो soap notes हैं, it can analyze and it can give you linking, right? Your first session, your second session, your third session. Because if you're not effective, client को अगर नहीं दिख रहा कि आप effective हो. Again, dude, I am lucky that you guys are now able to integrate this stuff like beforehand, right? A lot of people are still in denial that this is not happening. बहुत सारे लोग, you have no idea, because they are stuck in that survival conversation कि AI cannot replace therapist. वो identity existentialism होता है ना, existentialism conversation चल रहा है कि यार AI versus human तो नहीं हो सकता, obviously comparison ही नहीं है, and they're lost in that survival conversation, which is not even the conversation, right? The conversation is really about like, how are we going to actually work together? Like, all right, so what does all of this look like, right? Acha, regulation is like my favorite thing, right? Because obviously presence के लिए capacity होनी ज़रूरी होती है, right? Can you imagine अगर आपके पास 5 sessions हैं, 6 sessions हैं और आपकी emotional capacity जो है वो 3 रोने की है, लेकिन हकीकत में आपके दिन में 5 लोग रोने वाले आ रहे हैं, right? Did you get that one? Right? You guys will have an emotional barometer जो आप लोगों को fully expand करना होगा. आप वो उसका आपका अपना relationship आपके emotions के साथ वाला chapter जो आप अपने personal ChatGPT के पास ले जा सकते हैं अब free में पूछने के लिए कि क्या करना चाहिए अपनी personal therapy को बेहतर करने के लिए, right? तो वो तो अब आपको ChatGPT मुफ्त में दे रहा है, सही है. लेकिन आप लोगों को अपनी presence को maintain करने के लिए regulation में खास तौर पे, because you don't have much other than that, right? What else do you guys have other than presence, attunement, case concept? Nothing other than your physiology of being present in front of the client. Everything else can be done by that bot. So your capacity to stay regulated, attuned is your only currency, right? So yeah, go for it.
I guess physiology can also be replaced by AI, like virtual AI, and especially when there are chatbots.
Yeah, they can, and they might. You know the robots that this guy is making, आने वाले हैं ना NVIDIA के जो आ रहे हैं, right? Like robots and stuff. Have you seen the R2D2 वाला? Like there are robots coming, and in 10 years they will be here also. That is a different unemployment level that will happen. वो तो एक अलग chapter है.
Like I have seen a video, उसके अंदर ये था कि अमेरिका में basically एक experiment किया था जिसके अंदर physically एक robot को बिठा के उसके साथ वो session करवाया था, and they were checking कि वो effective है.
I think you will land on pricing. जहाँ तक मेरी समझ है ना इन चीज़ों के बारे में, you will land on pricing, right? It all depends कि China can get you that bot cheaper or not, right? यहाँ पे I don't think, you know what I personally feel? I feel people will look for connection through community, right? Treatment through specialists and everything else through bots, right? That's where it's at, जहाँ तक मुझे understanding है, right? Because अगर मुफ्त में कोई चीज़ conveniently, human beings are by default question of convenience, right? वो easiest way out लेंगे चाहे आप जो भी बोल लो उनको, right? So I do think कि वो जो अपना basic support होता है वो AI से उठा लेंगे. जो treat कर सकते हैं लोगों को, जो जिसके लिए आपको emotional capacity, attunement, like EMDR हो गया, EMDR यानी कि specific specializations जो somatic connection के through आ सकती है, right? वो co-regulation एक aspect होता है. Pets can do it also. Horse therapy भी होता है, animal therapy भी होता है. Like there's many co-regulation. I think is the main asset that you guys have. But the issue is trauma culture. Co-regulation goes out the window. Survival responses where you guys have been activating on, right? Fight, flight, freeze, dissociation. Yeah.
I think इन सब चीज़ों से establish जॉब मार्केट है उसमें हम इस तरीके से सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं कि हम ज़्यादातर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की तरफ जाएं और उनको हेल्प करें
Yeah.
कि वो किस तरीके से इन चीज़ों को एआई के साथ इंटीग्रेट कर
Yeah.
सकते हैं, किस तरीके से ऑटोमेट कर सकते हैं
Yeah.
काम को। क्योंकि इस जिस हिसाब से चल रहा है मोटिवेट
Yeah.
वाला क्लाइंट तो हमारे हाथ से
गया।
और एक्सट्रीम लेवल पे जाने के लिए हमें
Skill 5 साल लगेंगे। या 5 साल लगेंगे।
सारी चीज़ें
या चाहिए।
तो बुढ़े हो जाएंगे।
बुढ़े नहीं होंगे, 5 साल लगेंगे, 3 से 5 साल लगते हैं टू बिकम like for example you have to be in active supervision, you're right on that, you have to kind of get your masters done, that you're right on that, मतलब आपको अपना पेपर वर्क पूरा कंप्लीट करना है, you can't go to भाई बैचलर्स करके मैं साइकोलॉजी की नौकरी पकड़ रहा हूँ, like that is done, right, like वो तो निकलने वाली है चैप्टर, तो आप कर सकते हो, but the fact is that organizations are cost sensitive, right, so they won't take long to lower their costs, राइट तो वो आपसे ज़्यादा जल्दी में एडजस्ट करने के लिए इस चीज़ को, सिर्फ यहाँ लोकली नहीं, हर जगह, राइट, सो दैट्स वेयर इट्स गोना बी एट. सो what does the future look like? In my opinion, this is just my opinion here, right, like where does the future look like? I think future is human led, AI supported, जिसको AI assisted therapy बोलते हैं. आपका मेन चीज़ जो आपसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता वो आपकी बॉडी है, आपका प्रेजेंस है, राइट, और बाकी सारा काम आपको AI को देना होगा ताकि आप अपने सिर्फ प्रेजेंस पे फोकस कर सको. दैट्स वेयर आई थिंक इट्स गोना गो. लॉग्स लिटरली क्या होता है कि आजकल क्या होता है कि आप जो है वो अपना लॉग सेशन से निकले, आपने 5 मिनट के अंदर अपना सेशन को ऑडियो किया, डायरेक्ट AI ने सोप नोट लिख दिया आपका. दैट्स द ईजिएस्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव ऑल्सो, राइट, लाइक इट डजंट टेक लॉन्ग फॉर यू गाइस टू काइंड ऑफ डू योर लॉग्स एनी मोर. वो लॉग का AI का बटन दबाएंगे, वो एनालिसिस भी आ जाएगा कि मुझे अगले सेशन में क्या करना चाहिए, राइट. तो जो सारा प्रेप का काम है that you're being assisted to doing so that you can focus on staying present, being like in the moment with the therapist, right. Therapists are regulators, healers and guide. Like again, I cannot express how difficult it is to stay present, right, like I cannot, right, because again my background and my doom and gloom comes from my trauma background of seeing therapists, sitting in front of the client, not being able to make eye contact, sitting in front of the client feeling judged, sitting in front of the client thinking that the client को जो है वो मतलब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा client के लिए करना होगा, मैं client के लिए नहीं करूँगा तो how will I have esteem, right? So that's not the right way to work out also. So अभी करंटली कौन कौन से अवेलेबल है, क्या प्राइस पॉइंट पे अवेलेबल, हकीकत क्या है, राइट, लाइक राइट, बिकॉज दिस इज द मार्केट करंटली. आपके पास ये सॉफ्टवेयर्स आपके पास ये सॉफ्टवेयर्स अभी अवेलेबल है, सही है, जो आपको इस प्राइस पॉइंट में ये सब देते हैं, विच आई थिंक is going to be like where everyone's kind of going to have to go, right. It's going to go from blueprint, आपको वो ट्रीटमेंट प्लान देंगे, वो आपको फीडबैक देंगे, सही है, आपको वो ऑटो जनरेटेड नोट्स देंगे, कैलेंडर्स देंगे, जो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं ना आपके एडमिन असिस्टेंट, इट्स नॉट न्यू हियर, वी बीन डूइंग दिस बिफोर. आई ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ माई काइंड ऑफ नीड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू मेक दिस काइंड ऑफ पैशन, राइट. सो आई वाज लाइक यार मैं भी बनाता हूँ. ट्रॉमा सेंटर तो चला लिया था 5 साल तक, देन एंटरप्रेन्योरियलिज्म इज़ माई ट्रॉमा रिस्पॉन्स. That's what I've realized, right? क्योंकि I come from this whole mental health trauma scene. I was like यार एक business खोला therapist को help करने के लिए, एक और business खोलते हैं, right? So then I was like यार एक और business खोल के I was like ये करते हैं. Let me kind of show you guys. This is what I came up with.
TheraSoar is your all-in-one platform built to elevate therapists. Book and manage sessions seamlessly with a smart calendar that adapts to your flow. Communicate securely through a private client portal that makes connection easy and confidential. Log sessions with a single click and get AI-powered insights to help with effectiveness. Support your clients with personalized tools, resources, and assignments, all in one place. TheraSoar gives you back your time, so you can focus on what matters most. TheraSoar, elevate your practice and empower your clients. Sign up now at therasoar.com.
So let me kind of show you. So this is more sort of like something that was my try. You guys can look at it online. So I made TheraSoar. So I was like यार ये $20-30 जो है ना ये महंगा पड़ रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि मुझे अपने सेंटर में भी चलाना था. मुझे अपने सेंटर में भी चलाना था यार, ये $20-30 जो है ना मुझे को बहुत महंगा पड़ने वाला है. मेरे पास लाइक 5 थेरेपिस्ट अभी हैं, 3 थेरेपिस्ट की ट्रेनिंग हो रही है, ये तो मतलब मेरे तो भारी पड़ गया, राइट. एंड मेरा ये मतलब प्रॉब्लम है या क्या बोलूँगा कि यार आई कांट लाइक अगर मुझे नहीं दिख रहा तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट लाइक fill it yourself up. So what I did was I created this software. It's good that it's kind of running at that kind of fast speed, right? So I made this software, and this is called Terrasaur. And what I thought was, okay, if they can do it, so खुद भी कर सकते हैं. So I made this software. So yeah, it is all about the stuff that we kind of talked about. अच्छा यहाँ पे जो है ना ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ खेल होता है ना उसमें जो सबसे बड़ा इशू होता है वो होता है डेवलपमेंट का. What that means is it's super fast. एक हफ्ता पहले we did not have audio recording. Right now we have audio recording. Right? We will be getting the chatbot. Right? जो आपको आपके sessions आपके लिए book कर देगा. That was also done. Right? We are like log analysis हो गया, client portal हो गया. Because the YouTube is now working, you guys can kind of watch it on our YouTube page as well. But this is what we were able to kind of do because we were like, yaar, there's no way people in Pakistan are going to pay like $25 a month per user. I wasn't going to pay that. I wasn't going to pay that. I was like, that's why I was like, अगर ज़्यादा पैसे देते हैं, सही है खुद बनाते हैं and might as well like use it and actually help it, right? So what we did was we came up with the software. Right, so we came up with the software. We called it Terrasaur. Right, I was like, यार main मसला जो ये software नहीं समझते, जो I don't know, I felt कि because we were coming from this trauma informed background, we were like the software has to help the therapist become more attuned. Right, so आपका जो log analysis है, it can't be pathogenic. Again वो personal था कि it can't just be कि diagnose कैसे करना है. It's like relationship को कैसे improve करना है. That should be your feedback. Right, so that is the space that we kind of came from because we were like यार आप मतलब हर जितने भी लोग बाहर वो काम कर रहे हैं they're coming from this diagnose कैसे करना है, better किस तरह करना है, admin किस तरह करना है, and they do it better. They can kind of make your calendar be better. They can do all of that stuff be better, but they see it as a job, right? They see it as like a checklist that has to get done because it is attunement that is the thing that is our competitive edge. The AI has to understand that, right? Because if it doesn't understand attunement, then it's just going to give you like generic suggestions, right? So that is where we were coming up. क्या client को portal देते हैं, right? तो यानी हर client को एक अपना portal मिला, उससे वो directly communicate करे, वो अपना logs दे सके, वो आपका therapeutic relationship जो है वो improve कर सके, boundary कर सके, all of those things, right? This is the price plan that we came up with. I was like, जो कंपेरेटिव $20-30 वाले प्राइस प्लान थे उससे सस्ता है, राइट? $16, $30, $40. I was like, हाँ. I was like, do it that way. And I'll be very honest, this is expensive to build. It's not cheap, right? Like I'm being super transparent. Like software is not as hard, right? Like, and you know the worst part about software because when I'm in my first year, I still remember this. My first year of center, I made this app called Azam, right? I made this app called Azam. Because obviously, right, entrepreneurial mindset, right? So like I made this app called Azam with the intention कि resources जो होंगे वो app में available होंगे, एक certain level तक आपके free resources होंगे जिस तरह meditation app हो गया, all of that stuff, और उसके बाद आपके paid apps होंगे और आप therapy भी book कर सकते हो. That's what I thought. सही है क्या? हाँ यार, why not? It should be an app local पाकिस्तानियों के लिए. उर्दू में भी resources थे और इसमें यहाँ पे भी resources थे. तो app बनाना, whatever it costed, wasn't the hard part because passion, drive, all of that stuff, right? App maintain karna. Oh my God. You update an app consistently because Apple or Android निकाल देंगे आपको, right? क्योंकि अगर आप update नहीं कर रहे, which is again खर्चा. So I had that experience going into this one. I was like, यार अगर मैं किसी के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ तो I have to like have someone who's a technical person on board जो मतलब मेरे लिए ऐप चलाए बिकॉज इसका कंसिस्टेंट अपकीप इज़ द मेन खेल. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट आपने बनाया आपने चला दिया. इट्स अ लॉट. सो वी वर लाइक यार बट सो वी दिस वाज द इनिशियल वी वर लाइक यार ये कॉस्ट कवर करने के लिए ये हमें निकालना होगा. आई वाज लाइक इट्स नॉट गोना वर्क. पाकिस्तान में हम लोग कम्पीट कर रहे हैं गूगल शीट्स के साथ, राइट? हम लोग गूगल शीट्स के साथ कम्पीट कर रहे हैं. द माइंड सेट इजंट देयर येट, right, where people are understanding what's going to be happening for them. That's one of the reasons for me to kind of come in and have that kind of conversation. So that's one of the reasons why I was like $8, right? Like we can't do this kind of multiple flat like rates. आप $8 रखो, simple रखो. So that's what we're going to be doing. we're going to do this $8 rate, which is going to be like a flat rate, and that's where you can kind of start using the software, get used to it. Then based on your practice, आप दोबारा $8 दो, आपको फिर मतलब 30 सेशंस मिलते हैं, 50 सेशंस मिलते हैं. So by that time you already have good money, and $8 पाकिस्तानी रुपये बनते हैं. नहीं. Oh my God, no man, cut a zero out. नहीं 280 का डॉलर चल रहा है. 280 times 8 is like around like less than 4,000 rupees बनते हैं. 3,000 बनते हैं. Less than 3,000 समथिंग बनते होंगे. 3,000 रुपये बनते हैं महीने के. 2500 बनते हैं. इवन सस्ता 2500 रुपये बनते हैं. सोचो है ना. अब देख लेना, कोई नहीं आने वाला. I'm telling you man, because the initial was, if we price it too cheap, then we're like, you know, are we even competing with anyone? But then I was like, nah man, in Pakistan we need to get this started, right? 2500 रुपये जो एक सेशन का कॉस्ट भी नहीं है. एक सेशन का कॉस्ट भी नहीं है, right? लेकिन आपको मतलब you get like 20 sessions for it, you get the AI, you get the calendar, you get all of that stuff, you get all of the things. Try it out, right? So if you guys want to try it out, you guys can start your trial for it as well, right? The QR code is there. Otherwise you can actually go to like the www.thesaur.com, sign up, click.
14 days free trial.
14 दिन free trial, right? So you guys can get an idea, you know, about what is available, because in 6 months, I think 6 महीने के अंदर.
तो इसमें वेट नहीं करना होगा.
करना पड़ता है. To be very honest, well, there is a cost, right? There's a running cost. That's why it's not free, right? That's why it's not free, right? Because there is an active running cost. And we were like कि यार पाकिस्तान के अंदर अगर आप ये खेल खेल रहे हो ना, इसकी value, I think, I'll be very honest, like even though, so we're the first center also, right? Even though I've been kind of said to kind of be like, yeah, international, sick trainings la raha hai, all of that stuff. Like, but there is a relationship here sort of, right? In terms of being in Pakistan and the mental health capacity here, because my family is here. You know, I used to think, yaar, my kid is gonna need therapy if he needs therapy, because I needed therapy. He's like, मेरे दिमाग में ये because reference point है ना, and मेरे को therapy ज़रूरत पड़ी थी. Like my parents did not think I needed therapy.
Seems like personal.
Always. There's no way I would put this mehnat in if it wasn't personal.
Why when you do private?
Yeah, exactly, right? So that's my own life and my stories, right? But it's not just me. I read up, right? A lot of entrepreneurs have a personal story, right? So especially that's what I realized also, thank God, right? Yeah, it's not this personal. But this is what we have right now, right? This is where we are at. I don't think Pakistan ka koi aur mental health software hai. My intention, and this is something I will kind of ask for Maju, is like this should be available for freer for students to use here, right? So that you guys can get a handle of and then decide whether you want to shift to another software or all of those things as well. That should be something that we can kind of discuss with the conversations of university. But this is what we have. And I do think that, you know, I appreciate you guys giving me your time, right? I hope this was informative in terms of your future, right? And your careers. And the best part, the thing that you guys have that AI can't replace, right? If you have any questions, I'm here for those questions.